No, 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 no.
This video will make you expert when you are choosing altcoins. First of all, keep your awareness that many altcoins will be lost or will dumped in crypto market in a while. That's why you have to select them kinda like a gourmet before of invest them. Investing to true altcoins requires seriousness, dedication and patience. Bitronaut team teaching you how to select real and huge potential altcoins and how to avoid shitcoins in this video. 1. Get knowledge about team and meet the founders. Imagine you are having a serious job interview. One of the first questions they will ask you, where have you been worked before? Why don't you ask the same question to the founders and teams of the altcoins? Always check altcoins founders, their team, where they have been worked before. Taking a look founders and teams' social media accounts and also their LinkedIn profiles is good idea. Are they experienced in the crypto space? Do they have a clear vision and plan for the future development of the coin? Would be great if they have already worked in huge and important corporation before. Please notice that too, founders and teams need to show themselves in society. Sharing founders and team of the altcoin in their web page is positive situation. Conversely, if they were deleted teams and founder sections after a while, this is not a good sign. Some of altcoins not give even care to keep stay as a publish their web pages just like a shitroll. It's too bad. People still were fall for similar bullshit though. 2. Browse the altcoins websites carefully. We suggest to surfing every links and click to all buttons in the web page. You may find interesting things, errors or discrepancies. For example, if the sum of links on the website are not working anymore or page content has not been updated after a while, this may sign developers don't care their project. If there is a big effort in the website to direct you in any step of the way to buying that altcoin, that's also not a good sign. Keep attention what's their solution, what they are really solve in the life while reading altcoins white papers. Many of them keep just babbling while explaining tons of useless technical terms. Always keep away them if they're not solving some real and critical problems. What problem does the coin aim to solve? Is there a real-world use case for the technology? Coins with a strong use case and potential for mass adoption are more likely to see long-term growth. 3. Join to the altcoins community and chat zones. By joining the altcoins communities you may learn what users and advisors talking about. You will get a chance to feel atmosphere and many more informations from investors like you. If there is a satisfaction or complaint, you will be informed about all. Always analyze altcoins social media accounts. How often do they share on their accounts? Do they follow current topics? Them all some if important questions you may ask to altcoins social media accounts. People still were buying some shitcoins such as shitroll. Even shitroll shared their last post 2 years ago. 4. The roadmap. Altcoins roadmaps are the promises of altcoins to investors. So no one can trust someone who can't keep their word on time, right? Are the promises on the roadmap fulfilled on the right times as promised? Here is an important question to you may ask to project's roadmap. 5. Altcoins market analysis. Here is some websites that can be used when analyzing altcoin markets. CoinMarketCap.com, CoinGecko.com, Etherscan.com. Market capitalization. The total value of all the coins in circulation can give you an idea of a coin's popularity and adoption. A higher market cap generally indicates a more established coin with a larger community of users and developers. Let's start to evaluation by checking max supply, total supply, circulating supply and market cap. Max supply is the best approximation of the maximum amount of coins that will ever exist in the lifetime of the cryptocurrency. Once the maximum supply is exhausted, no new coins or tokens will be produced or mined. The fact that the maximum supply is determined by limited amount is one of the first qualities that a smart investor will look for. Total supply refers to the total amount of coins or tokens of a specific cryptocurrency that have been created or mined, that are in circulation, including those that are locked or reserved. As an economic dynamics, the limited of supply is always good. Circulating supply refers to the number of coins or tokens of a specific cryptocurrency that are publicly available to buy or sell. If you can trade them, they are considered circulating. Crypto projects often don't release all of a cryptocurrency's supply to the market, instead waiting to mine or mint more coins in the future. The larger the percentage of the circulating supply, the more preferable altcoin for the smart investor. Circulating supply can be used to determine a cryptocurrency's market capitalization, MCAP, by multiplying the current market price by the number of coins or tokens in circulation. Trading volume metric measures the number of coins that are being bought and sold on a daily basis. A higher trading volume indicates more liquidity and a higher likelihood that you'll be able to buy and sell the coin at a good price. Here is useful formula to guess altcoin's possible price in the future. Current market cap, circulating supply. If altcoin has a quality project, that means people will demand that altcoin and the current market cap will rise by making price upper. Of course, if the altcoin project is not strong, it will not be able to attract new investors, which will mean that market cap of the altcoin cannot increase further. This would be a good question to guess the future price of altcoin. May this altcoin collect another few billion more dollars on top of its current market cap? Top 10 holders is an issue that is ignored by most investors, but is very important. Never forget to check your interested altcoins holders and the wallets holding that altcoin. What percentage of altcoins the wallets have? For example, wallets with a very large percentages of the altcoin can manipulate the corresponding altcoin very easily. Which markets listing this altcoin? The quality of these exchanges is as important as the number of exchanges where the altcoin is listed. Large stock market listing is an important issue such as Binance, Coinbase and Bitfinex. 6. Dive into the deep. Read more than white paper. Research altcoins' elder and future events. Research the founders wrote articles, founders' presentations while keep trying to understand their visions and expectations about future. Also good idea seeking to elder news about altcoin if it's faced some serious trouble before times. Market sentiment can give you an idea of how the market perceives a certain coin. By studying social media, forums, and news sources, you can get a sense of market sentiment. Is this altcoin has a physical product? Yes, a product you can touch by your hand and use this directly in your life. An important plus as long as the altcoin project offers some physical products. Browse altcoin tags. Browsing the tags in the altcoin is important in terms of giving an idea about which companies invested in that coin and the technologies covered by the altcoin. It would be a good idea to research in detail which companies and investors invested in altcoin. Don't forget to look at your interested coin's ratings. No matter how smart an investor you are, you may need a professional assessment. The ratings given by other companies such as Symmetry or Token Insight should be evaluated considering the quality of the altcoin. It's kinda cool if altcoins talking about their partnerships, but if their partners talking about that partnership and this altcoin, this is more important. That's why don't forget to check altcoins partners announcements also. So the deals with big companies that small altcoins show on their websites may not always reflect the truth. The token economics of a coin can have a big impact on its value. Coins with a good token economics model tend to have a steady growth and more stability in the long term. Be sure to research how inflationary the altcoin you are interested in is. If you are going to invest in a high inflation altcoin, staking it will make more sense than holding it. Token distribution is the way in which you allocate tokens between the different stakeholder groups. These are usually insiders, the project team, the community, and the general public. Insiders are platform founders and advisors. The higher the percentage of publicly shared shares makes the more user-friendly altcoin. The distribution of tokens can affect the coin's price and decentralization. A fair and decentralized distribution can ensure a more stable and secure coin. By considering these factors and researching the coins in depth, you can make more informed decisions when choosing altcoins to invest in. However, it's important to remember that cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and past performance is not indicative of future results. It's always a good idea to consult with a professional financial advisor before making any investment decisions.